Hi, friends. Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. There is a bumper sale going on in the stock markets. Yes, it's not that the markets are falling. You should look at the markets as if there's a bumper sale going on in the stock markets. Let me explain. Say, example, you're going to a shopping mall and you go to the mall and you see that the prices of the products that you dream to buy are all falling. What will you do? Are you going to run away from the mall or are you going to enter into the mall and say, wow, this is the time when I can buy all the branded products which I dreamed about at a price lower than what I thought I could get it for. Exactly. You're going to go right into the mall and start checking all those products. If it's a jacket, if it's a shirt, you will try them on, you will check. You will see whether it fits you. And if it fits you and you see that the price is at 60% discount, 70% discount, you will go ahead and buy it. The same is the case with stock markets. It's not that the prices are falling down or the markets are crashing. It's giving you an opportunity to buy the stocks in discount. It's the nature of stock market to keep going up and down, up and down. Simple. When it goes up, watch, don't do anything. And when the prices come down, time to act. Look for the best stocks. Do your fundamental analysis and enter the stock. Stagger your investment at different levels so that you get the best entries. It is so simple. But the problem is the big institutions, they don't want you to buy at this particular price. So what do? They will keep putting negative news into the markets. They will say, oh my God, the markets are going to crash even further. The markets are collapsing. The markets are bleeding. There is total chaos in the markets. Why? Because those big institutions are buying at those prices. They do not want you to enter at those prices. So what they do? They create this chaos in the market when the prices are falling. They buy, and when the prices go up, then they start pushing positive news. Now the markets are stable, now the markets are growing. We see a great vision for this market. The prices are going to go skyrocket, all those things. Why? Because now they want others to buy because they have already bought the stocks at the best possible price. So don't let them cheat you. You know what exactly has to be done. Look what Warren Buffett has to say. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the door. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. There is no mincing of words over here. Warren Buffett is telling exactly what he does. Buy when the markets are fearful. It's very, very simple. Chapter 8 of The Intelligent Investor, written by Benjamin Graham. Warren Buffett considers Benjamin Graham as his teacher, and Benjamin Graham says that Mr. Market is an emotional business partner who offers to buy and sell stocks daily. Sometimes he is over optimistic, offering high prices, and sometimes he is fearful, offering stocks at discount. So you have to understand this behavior of Mr. Market. And when Mr. Market is fearful, you buy your stocks. And when Mr. Market is very, very optimistic, you just watch the markets and let the price keep going higher and higher. Very, very simple. To the same thing, Warren Buffett says that Mr. Market is kind of a drunken psycho. Some days he get very enthused. Some days he get very depressed. And when he gets really enthused, you will sell to him. And if he gets depressed, you buy from him. There is no moral taint attached to that. Warren Buffett. It's the same thing what Benjamin Graham says in a little different wording by Warren Buffett. So, if you want to invest and get rich in the stock markets, enjoy this bear run in the stock market. Don't worry. It's the cycle of the stock market. The markets will go up and it will come down. And when it is coming down, that's the time when you have to buy. That's exactly what all the big investors in the stock market do. Buy the dips. You might not get the bottom, but as I've already told you, scatter your investment. Invest in parts, invest at different levels so that when the price goes up later on, you get different prices, but all at the bottom of the stock price. Of course, when there is a sale in the market, you're not going to buy the worst product. You're going to buy the best product. Same is the case in the stock markets. When the prices are falling, just do not go and buy whichever stock you see. Price is important, but at the same time, the quality of the stock is also important. So make sure that you look at the fundamentals, the ratios, the management of the company, the business model of the company, and then enter into a stock. So once again, I would like to reiterate myself. Markets rise and fall, but wealth is built by those who invest during the fall and hold for the rise. Be a smart investor. Buy when others are fearful and reap the rewards when the market recovers. So, friends, I hope that this video has made it extremely clear that you do not have to worry when the markets are falling. It's the cycle of the market. This is an opportunity to buy the best stocks at the best price. Remember, trading and investing is risky. So do not invest those funds which you require in the near future. Only invest those funds which you can stay invested for a longer period. And always keep your risk in control. Friends, if you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos. So like you, there might be many others who can learn from these videos. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon. Every time I see a new subscriber, it motivates me to create more videos so that you can learn the stock markets in a better way. Friends, if you want to make it big in the stock markets, you need to give the markets time. You need to practice. You need to have patience and persistence. And I always say, keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you. Namaskar.